Good evening, dear all. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the last class of the month. How are you all? Doing good? Yes? Good? Okay, come, let's start our practice for today. And yeah, let me just check. Can you all see me? Is it a bit dark? Okay, come sit up straight, close your eye. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Be at the present moment and embrace your breathing. Embrace your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Just inhale and exhale. Inhale and slowly open your eyes and stretch out. Slowly open your eyes, stretch out your legs, hands at the side. Can you all hear me? Can I? Okay. Hands at the side, keep your spine straight. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Now inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Now legs apart, toes pointing to each other. Rotate, inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Inhale upwards. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Now legs together, hands on the knee. Inhale, lift up the heels off the mat. Knee engagement. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Now bring both of your toes together. Move your knee up and down to Trikonasana. Inhale, slide you come. Exhale, you go down. Go down. Try to reach your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again. You go down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, come up. Stretch out your legs. Bend your leg. Now interlock below your right arm. Left leg engaged. Spine straight. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Now you massage. Massage your leg up to your knee. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Now release and do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Now let's do for the left leg. Interlock. Right leg straight. Spine straight. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale on your thigh. Yes, you massage down. You massage leg up your knee. Left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release and repeat rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Now right leg over left leg. Pull into seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, up. Bend your thumb and your fingers. Clockwise, wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Now bring your thumb to your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale, up. Interlock. Exhale, up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Once again, inhale, up. Interlock. Exhale, you come. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Release. For your neck. Inhale, up. Exhale, center. Inhale, down. Exhale, center. Inhale to your right. Exhale, center. Inhale to your left. Exhale, center. Tilt your neck to your right. Exhale, center to your left. Tilt. Exhale, center. Last part, eyebrow exercise. Interlock. Straighten up. Look at your thumb. Inhale, up. Exhale, center. Inhale, down. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Look at your thumb. Relax your eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To the center. And slowly release. Blink your eyes. Now come to the front of your mat. Drink some water if you need. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart, hands on Namaskar. Close your eyes. And tell yourself that this is a practice all for yourself. For your happiness, inner peace, and great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you'll spread love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, and to all those around you. Before we start our practice today evening, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, thank all the gurus, yogis, mahants, and rishis. Thank yourself, thank your teacher, thank each and every part of your body. Thank your fellow practitioners. Thank your inner self for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Take a deep inhalation and exhale. Inhale. Open your eyes. Inhale sideways up to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra, come up. Exhale, child, sit on your heels. Inhale, cat, look up. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee straight. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale, up all the way, have some gap in between your legs, do not forget, exhale all the way down, right leg back, inhale, open. கால் கொஞ்சம் open பண்ணிருக்கணும். Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Stella Devi, hands fully down. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Veronica. 1, 2. கை ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வைங்க. Spread, open பண்ணுங்க உங்க fingers. Yes. Hand, bring your hand straight. 4 and 5. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Open and look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale, up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back, inhale, open. Yes, both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Correct. Knee straight up. Hands fully down. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Yes, both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale, up all the way. Exhale all the way down, right leg back, inhale, open. Yes, very good. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Do not lift up your leg. Komla, elbow bend. Elbow மடக்குங்க. இன்னும் மடக்குங்க. Yes. Exhale, child. Nirosha, you have to go back and sit. You have to sit somewhere. போங்க பின்னாடி Nirosha இன்னும். Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1,
2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knees straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Komla, kai வந்து நமஸ்கார்ல இருக்கும். When you go up, it goes up, namaskar, and when you come down, namaskar. Left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Yes, correct. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Yes, open. Some more open, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Namaskar, namaskar, and then you go up. All of you. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the. Komla, you're doing it wrong. Miss Tila Ponga, please. Can you go up and show? See, inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Namaskar. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Every pose have to completely have to do. There's no shortcut in Surya Namaskar. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Do not lift up your back leg. Back leg must be fully down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Very good, very good. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Last round. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Do not lift up your leg. Back leg down, on your toes. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Irusha, cobra have to come up some more. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Wipe your face. Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Drink some water with your face. Okay, legs together. Now, here legs together. Roll up your chest. Samastitihi position. Inhale, up sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Hold Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes, you breathe now. Knee straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Second round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Pushpa, inhale up sideways, exhale all the way down. Now, inhale, head up. Now bend your knees. Jump out chaturanga. Hands fully on the mat. Jump out chaturanga. Exhale. Yes, good. Half chaturanga, you go. Chitra Devi, correct, correct. Munuk paranga, munuk paranga. Unna konjam body munuk kondittu ponga. Yes. Inhale, upward facing. You have to lift up your thigh, Pushpa, Chitra Devi and Pushpa. Thigh lift up. Lift up. Illa. Anga par, screen paranga. Can you see? But feet down, feet down. Feet down. Exhale, downward facing. 1, 2, knees straight. 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Yes. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Yes. Third round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Hands fully on the mat. Hands fully on the mat. Now jump out, chaturanga. Exhale. Very model senja madri. Pinadi kaalu thukka koodathu. Pushpa, you're wrong. You have to lift up your chest. Inhale, up. Upward facing. Kaal paranga. Kaal must be flat. Exhale, downward facing. Practice. Practice will make you go further. Kai fully down. Hands fully down. Do not lift up your hands. Staravi kaal kunju pinadi kondu ponga. Kunju. Push your chest inside now. Yes, correct. 3. Pushpa kunju kaal munukku. 4. Push your chest inside. 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Fourth round. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, chaturanga. Exhale. Very good, very good. Yes. Hip. Don't drop your hip. Drop your chest. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Very good, very good. All of you have progressed well. 1, 2. Breathe. 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Pushpa, follow பண்ணுங்க. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of the chest. Last round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Pushpa, good. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in, knees straight. Yes, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. You are done. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. Wipe your face. Samastitihi. Inhale, touch, come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Manish, if you want to rest, you take rest. Right leg forward, Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Check your legs, check your legs. Pushpa, come inside your mat. Do not go outside your mat. Everyone, check your position. Some of you, I cannot see your leg. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Pushpa kaalu pinadi kaalu ulluku varum konjam. Back leg slightly in. No. You have to turn your leg. Remember, I've taught you this. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. See, your leg position is very important. Okay, starting class start பண்ணும்போதே first week I have guided all of you. Chitra, hands fully down. Do not lift up. Yes, breathe. 3. Knee straight. 4. And 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Look up, elbow straight. Exhale, release. Second round. Inhale, touch, come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale all the way down. Elbow must be straight. Your hand, you shouldn't relax. Must straighten up your hands. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward, Virabhadrasana, warrior. Kai kaalu fulla kila iruknom. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Nirosha, you have to adjust your leg. You are so wide away. Your leg, both legs must be aligned together. Now marking a minute gala. Go some lower. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Yes, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Chitra Devi, okay. You do slow, Chitra Devi. Ninga vandu mudua singa. You take rest. Don't force yourself. Left leg solitana. Solitana. 1, 2, 3. Push your chest inside. 4. Manish. 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch and come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, release. Okay, third round. Manish, you take rest, Manish. Sit. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Naren, do properly. Inhale, upward facing. It's either you do properly or take rest. Don't do half-hearted. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Naren, take rest. Don't do. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward, Virabhadrasana warrior. Yes, very good. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch and come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, release. Done 3 rounds only. Wipe your face, drink some water, and relax yourself. Are we all okay? Chitra Devi? Are you okay? எங்க அடிபட்டிருக்கு கையில okay. You should have told me earlier. Don't force. See, let's say you're injured or something like that. Do not force yourself to do. Okay, your injury will get worse. Okay, from bad it will go to worse. So be careful of your injury. Any type of injury. Yoga injury இருந்தாலும் சரி. Let's say you fell down or something like that also. Kamla, are you okay? Good. Okay. Anusila, are we good? Yes. Right. Today we will look into back bending series. Back bending, different series we'll look into. We will see from standing back bending. Standing back bending. Okay, it's we have never seen standing back bending. I think we'll go standing, then lying down. So that kind of series on today. So back bending நிறைய சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Let's say camel also back bending. ஒரு ஆசனா எடுத்து back bending இருக்கும். இன்னைக்கு back bending வந்து a compilation of different like standing, sitting, and lying down. Okay, are we all ready? Yes. Another thing why I'm doing here is ஒரே ஒரு போஸ்க்கு ஒரு போஸ். Okay, 1 or 2 posts we will be needing wall. Okay, 1 or 2 posts will be needing wall. So yeah, that's why I'm near the wall. All right. Okay, let's start. Hopefully you can see me. Okay. Can listen, can hear me, Can hear me? Yes. All right. Shruti, can hear me? Okay, good. Okay, first from the standing. Okay, so we all will be standing. Okay. So we will do right leg first. From here, you will bring your straight as that, you bring right leg forward. Okay, not too much. Okay, not too close. So it's a bit like 1.5 feet. About that 1.5 feet. About 1.5 feet. Let's see. Okay, this is to balance yourself. Okay, more balancing. Now we will hug our elbow like this. Okay, so hand will be hugged like this, elbow. Okay, from here we will bring our elbow up above our head. Okay, from here, inhale, exhale, we will go down. As much as we can, and then come up. Okay, we'll go down, and then you come up. Do not bend your knee. Okay, if you have back pain, just be careful. Okay, if you have back pain, just be careful. So உங்க preparation வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா கால் எப்படி இருக்கும், கை வந்து போயிடும். Then you inhale. When I say go means then you go back bending. Okay, all right. Can I prepare yourself? you have back issues, then you don't force yourself to do. You can do slightly, but don't force. Okay, come right leg forward. 1.5 feet. Okay, don't open too much. Yes, hug your elbow. Bring it up above your head. Okay, bring it up above your head. And then now you go back bend. Inhale, exhale, you go. As you go, you inhale, exhale. 1, knee straight. Knee straight. Both knees must be straight. 2, yes. 3, both knees must be straight. 4, breathe. Go some more. Anita, go some more. For 5, Shruti, pinadi kalu vandu minukku irukkanum, facing forward, toes facing forward. 6, yes. 7, go some more. 8, breathe and balance. 9 and 10, come up slowly. Switch leg. Are we all okay? Yes. See, you have to go deeper. You have to go deeper. Do not restrict yourself. Okay? If you think you can push a bit more, go a bit more. Okay? Unless you have condition, then I understand. Okay? Now we go. Okay. See, in the back bending la same போது எங்க intense pain இருக்குனா இந்த backல அங்க தான் இருக்கும். Okay? It's normal. Okay? It's normal to stretch. Okay? Intense pain இல்ல. Okay? Not intense pain, a slight pain. Okay? ரொம்ப வலி இருந்துச்சுனா you just go child pose. Okay? Come prepare. Yes. Okay. Go up, elbow up, above your head you must go. That's how you stretch. This is how you stretch. Just don't let it go like this. You have to stretch it. Then only go back. Okay, go. Inhale, exhale. Go. Knee straight. 1, 2. Look up. 3, 4. Leg shouldn't go. Your back only should bend. 5, 6. Yes, Arti. Go slow. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Release. Nirusha, you okay? Don't overstrain. Okay. Now, right leg forward. This one a bit you can open. 3 leg, about 3 feet you can open. Already put in the chain. Something like that is now. Now you open like this. Okay, 3 feet. About 3 feet. Okay. This pose you will need wall. Sorry. This pose you will need wall. Okay, this pose you will need wall. Yeah, most of you near the wall, so I think it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. This pose you need the wall. Okay, here. All right. From here, bend and go back. Okay. So I cannot see here. Okay, bend and go back and stretch. And slowly come up. Okay. I couldn't see actually. I couldn't see myself. So, minukku kaala bend pannom. My leg was bent, right? Okay, see, see, everyone. I'm going to do left. Okay, right. See, 3 feet. Veerabhadrasana bend பண்ணும்போது அந்த மாதிரி. You bend and then you go. Like this. And then you come. Okay, careful, Careful. Okay, prepare first. Can, Can. See, you have to go like that. You have to bend like that. If you போனீங்கன்னா you will fall. You see, if you go like that. Okay, you have to do that. You have to do. Can see, What you should do? You should do like that. Okay, Come, slowly try. Slowly try. Careful of your back. Ah, Miss Tila, okay. Okay, good. Okay, idupu, the pressure will be more. Careful. 1. Straight மின்னுக்கு கால் bend பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 2. மின்னுக்கு கால் bend பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மின்னுக்கு knee bend பண்ணோம். 3. Yes. Bend your front knee. Bend your front knee. Your right knee must bend. 5. Careful. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Okay, come up slowly. Come up. Okay, you see? This pose you can go even deeper. See this pose? You're like this. You're like this. You can go even deeper. Okay, do you see? Okay, the one I'm teaching is slightly down. Slightly. You can go even deeper. Okay? Go even deeper. Okay? Okay, depends on your flexibility and ability to do at this point of time. ரொம்ப சேருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு don't hurt your back because this will have a lot of pressure here. Okay, this will have a lot of pressure here. Okay, so do it with precaution, do it slowly. Okay, come. Yes, Anita, good. Come. அந்த elbow straight ஆக்குனீங்கன்னா நீங்க இன்னும் ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க உங்க இது பண்ற மாதிரி push பண்ற மாதிரி. Try. Careful. 3. 4. மின்னுக்கால் bend. Konis மின்னுக்கால் bend பண்ணல. 5. Anusila, very good. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Slowly come up. Relax. What happened? Kalai? J Kalai? Yes. Okay. If there's no, see, now back bending on the, we won't see every week. Okay. Depends like 2 weeks once or 1 month once or 2 twice a month. So see, every day when you practice, you pick. Remember, sometimes I will tell you, pick certain asanas that you want to work on, then you can practice on a daily basis or the days that there's no class, so that you will look at this part all. So let's say you didn't look into back bending for very long time, and திடீர்னு இன்னைக்கு செய்யும் போது அந்த pressure வந்து ரொம்ப கூடியா இருக்கும். Okay? Are we okay? All right. Next one we will go into this one. Okay? From here, okay, like this, knee down, chest down, and chin down. Okay, from here, you walk your knee inside, and then try to hold your knee. And then, got it? Okay? Knee down, chest down, chin down method. But you have to walk your knee forward. You have to walk your knee forward. You have to walk. Okay, kai vandu inga irukum. See, knee down, chest down, chin down. And then you walk your knee. Lift up. And then you hold. Lift up first, balance. And then you hold your feet. Okay, both hands must hold. Okay, see this one, the chin will be pressured, so be careful. If you want to have towel, you can have towel. Come. Tala tirpadinga. I turned my head because I want to see you guys. This one like this, huh? Let's try. Miss Tila, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் work பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. Careful of your chin. Everyone, careful of your chin. Yes. Kale, நீங்க ரொம்ப முன்னுக்கு வந்துட்டீங்க. So you can't hold. Yes, Punesh, good. Yes, yes, very good. The other leg, the other leg. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chin down. Don't lift your chin up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and come up. Go to child pose. Everyone go child pose. Everyone go child pose. Slowly come up. Come up. Okay. Okay. Are you okay? How's your back? Okay? Still okay? Okay. The next one will be tiny bridge there. You place your hand and leg like this. Here, you drop your elbow. Okay, I'll show. You drop your elbow like this, sideways. Okay, drop your elbow sideways. Okay. From here, you are dropping your elbow sideways. Okay. From here, you lift up one leg. Okay, lift up one leg. You try to hold it and then pull it higher. Okay, hold it and pull it higher. Okay, and then you will switch it up to 10 counts. Okay, got it? You hold on top of your feet and you pull. Okay. Let's see if you're doing it right. Let me check. Okay. Okay. கால் மறு தூக்குங்க, பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கால் மறு தூக்கி பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. முன்னுக்கு பார்க்கணும். Do not look down. Do not look down. Yes, right hand hold the right leg and pull it higher. All of you saw, right? Komala, right leg, right hand. You all saw, right? Pull it higher, higher. Shruti, you have to hold that way so that you can pull your leg. Yes, 3, 4. Menit parunga. 5. Nirosha, you're holding it wrong. That's why you're falling. You're holding it the other way. 6. Punish, hold. Try hold. Yes. Balance, balance. Yes. 8, 9, and 10. Calm down. See the leg. You are bringing it up. When you hold this way, you tend to fall. Can you see? When you hold inside, that's why you hold up. You hold here out, or you hold side. Or sorry, you hold up. Side. Okay. Side. You will pull up. So you both legs and hand will work. Or you hold it like this, and then you pull up. Pull higher. Okay, let's do the left leg. See, புரிஞ்சிச்சுல கிட்ட சேர இங்க பிடிக்கணும். இப்படி பிடிச்சா you tend to fall the other side. Okay, hold it up like that. Pull it up like that, and you see, or hold it like this. Come. Yes, pull it up. 1, higher, higher. Gonna go slow. Look in front. Huh? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Calm down. Relax yourself. Come down, child pose. Relax yourself. Relax. 5 counts will go. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, come now. Come on. Wheel pose we will do. Wheel pose. Tanya, normal wheel pose preparations. Now we are going to do wheel pose separately. Okay. See, I want all of you to see first. See my leg position. See my hand position, and then you push yourself. Okay. And then you do. Okay. Come. Come. See first. You will lie down fully. Like this. Okay, lie down fully. And then bring your neck closer to your buttocks. Close it. Okay. You can push up. So you will bring closer and firmly press on your mat. Hands, you turn. It will place near your shoulder. It will be near your seat. From here, do not go like this. Okay, do not push like this. From here, turn, and then you place. So these fingers will be pointing downwards. Fingers pointing downwards. Okay, from here, you will inhale, you push your body up. Okay, inhale, you push your body up, and then try to walk low. Stay and then calm down. Okay. Say 5 counts. You come down. Then inhale up. Another 5 counts. Okay. Okay. 5 counts. We will divide into 5 counts. Got it? Everyone got it right? Okay. Everyone preparing. So I assume you all got it. Be careful. Yes, try. Place your hand at the back. Yes. Hand place pananga. I'll see your hand. Hand will be near the shoulder. Not below the shoulder, but right at the shoulder. Okay. Do not carry your buttocks. Do not carry your buttocks. When I say inhale up, then you go up. Inhale up. Go. Parmiss Manish, hip putting. Hip pushi tukunga. Yes, hand must be strong. Hand, push with your hand, Manish. Push with your hand. 2. Come up, come up. 3. Miss Tila, try to push. 4. And the hand na. Ipa hand. Miss Tila, you have to work on your hand. Menaga, very good. Anita, very good. Rajesh, very good. Aarti, good. 5. Come down. Come down, come down. Slowly, slowly. Manish, you shouldn't move your hand. When you move your hand, you will collapse. When you move your hand, see everyone, when you move your hand, when your hand is moving like that, you will jatuh. Hand will be going up straight. This is hand strength, back bending, but needs a lot of this upper body strength. Let's do once again. Once again, you do. Careful, careful of your neck, your back. Okay. Come once again. Chitra Devi say venda. Parwala. It's okay. It's okay. Chitra Devi. Your hand is injured. Ma Naren, very good. Hand strong, Naren. Wait, one moment. Hand strong, Naren. Hand. Your hand is moving. Your left hand is moving. Right hand is moving. Okay. Calm down. Parami saying. Inhale up. Everyone go up. Very good, Naren. Try. 1. Anusila, good. 2. 3, 4, and 5. Come down, lie down and hug your thigh. Menaka, very good, very good. Come down, hug your thigh. Come down, hug your thigh. Hug your thigh, relax. Everyone lie down, hug your thigh. Chitra Devi. Breathe and stay. Breathe and stay. Now release, slowly come up to seated position. We are done for today. Okay, there's a lot more asanas that we can do. Bow pose irukku. Ipa chadura idu vandu we call it chakrasana or wheel pose. Okay, we can name it also Urdhva Dhanurasana, means bow pose. Okay, upside down bow pose. Bow pose kuda irukku. Lying down, you will pull your leg, something like that. There's a lot of back bending. Okay, how to, if you ask me how to build, if in the back bending line, you see you need upper body strength, and some of it you have to hold hand in the kai pagudi la vandu you need a lot of strength. How you build strength is Surya Namaskar. See, the core of our practice is Surya Namaskar. Now we are practicing Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga the core way vandu Hatha Surya Namaskar the core. That's why we every day, you see, every time we have class, we will not skip Hatha Surya Namaskar. Although we will skip Ashtanga A, Ashtanga B, we might skip Hatha Surya Namaskar. We have it throughout our classes, throughout our weekly classes. How you build more strength? Hold Chaduranga in Ashtanga A and Ashtanga B. Okay, you have to try to hold Chaduranga in a to a longer period. Now you cannot hold Chaduranga, so that's why I'm teaching beginner Chaduranga. Okay, and the knee down, then you bring your chest down. On the knee down pannamode, you will feel that you are gaining a lot of strength. That's why consistency in practice is very important. The moment you are consistently doing this half Chaduranga, half Chaduranga, half Chaduranga, at one point of time in a month, actually in the month you consistent practice panninga, at the month you consistent practice pandringa, in a month actually you can hold full Chaduranga. You can hold probably 1 or 2 seconds, it's okay, but you can actually hold. Some of you might hold longer, maybe 5 seconds. On the 5 counts na connect பண்ணும்போது you might hold Chaduranga full count. That's how you build. Yes, nothing comes easily. Yes. See, even this point of time, I've practiced so many years. At this point of time, when my master count 1, now on the count பண்றது வந்து 1, 2, I count a bit fast. But if you have seen his any YouTube channel, his count is quite slower. He will count 1, then you'll wait, and then you'll come 2. So we all will be holding. Ippa kuda on a Friday I practiced face to face. Still my Chaduranga, when I was holding Chaduranga, I felt like நாங்க practice பண்றது Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga, we have like a full chart. Every asana will have jump out, jump in, Chaduranga, jump out, jump in, Chaduranga. Let's say I think there is like about 72 asanas, if I'm not mistaken. 72. Okay, Surya Namaskar சேர்த்து 140 na எவ்வளவு வரும்? 124. Okay, so like everyday practice, it's about 70 to 80 asanas, whereby every asanas we have to hold Chaduranga, and then come up, upward facing, and then downward facing. How we will build strength? By holding full Chaduranga. இந்த நிறைய poses நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னா கூட நிறைய Chaduranga hold பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு upper body. See, as a female practitioner, we all will have like a weak upper body. That's why normally சொல்வேன் men practitioner oda female practitioner வந்து will have a bit strength கம்மியா இருக்கும். Okay, நிறைய பேர் வந்து என் கூட நிறைய நாள் travel பண்ணிட்டீங்க. I've seen you have progressed so well, like Rajesh and Mistila, Anita, okay, Menaga. நீங்க எல்லாம் வந்து you have built your upper body strength already. Build some to hold. Like now, if you, let's say you cannot push your wheel pose up, you have to work on your upper body strength. If you ask me, you have to work on your நிறைய நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா most of the poses upper body strength தான். Even headstand செய்யறது கூட நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஷோல்டர் ஸ்ட்ரென்த். ஓகே, ஹெட்ஸ்டாண்ட் சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கல, என்ன வேணும் நமக்கு? இந்த ஷோல்டர் வந்து இப்படி இருக்க கூடாது. இந்த ஷோல்டர் இப்படி பிரஸ் பண்ணணும். when how you want to press your shoulder up? shoulder up na இப்போ வந்து டவுன் பிரஸ் பண்றேன். when I'm upside down, I'm pushing my shoulder up, right? I'm tend to push my shoulder up. So it have to go like this. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் எப்படி நான் புஷ் பண்ணுவேன்? இது அந்த ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இருந்தா தான் என்னால புஷ் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, All right, good. Okay, the last class of the month. Okay, that's why you're kunjo intense. Yes, are we okay? Kale, J Kale. Okay, practice. All of you are doing very well. Those who have joined this month, do not worry. You are doing well. You practice, practice, practice. Keep on practicing. And definitely you will get it. Like Jamuna, you're all doing good. Aarti, Pushpa, are we okay? Can. Okay. First month, இது உங்க first month தானே? First month. Okay, okay. No worries, no worries. Manish, are you okay? Manish, cannot see your face. Okay, okay. All right. If there's nothing, that is the end of our session today. Thank you so much. It is so nice to see all of you. It's so nice to practice all of you. October, some of you I will be seeing face to face, and most of you I'll be seeing virtually, which is good. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. It's good to be back virtually and also physically. So some pack for the schedule because full virtually then I have like a daily class physically. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Practice, practice, and all will be coming to you. Okay, physical mental வாழ்க்கையை சுத்தி நிறைய விஷயங்களா இருக்கட்டும் நீங்க நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண இது என் செல்ஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ல சொல்றேன். உங்க நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண கெட்டதெல்லாம் உங்களை விட்டு போவோம். அது யாரா இருந்தாலும் சரி எது இருந்தாலும் சரி கட்டாயம் உங்களை விட்டுட்டு போயிடும். Okay, that is the power of yoga. That is the magic of yoga. Probably yes, we are looking into physical, but you don't have to be vegetarian. I mean, I have never tell any of my students to be vegetarian. Okay, as you practice, all you do is consistently practice, put all your effort in your practice. At least 15 to half an hour சொல்லிருக்கேன். If memang tak ada masa na 15 minit to 30 minutes you put, ana practice daily. Okay, you will see definitely a tremendous changes in your life, in your practice also. Okay, with that I end my session. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Good night. Take care. Stay happy.